I want to tell you how much I love you in my letters. I'll always end up saying these two words, lovingly yours, while I'm away. I'll always think of you, no night or day can make me forget. There's somebody far from me, and I know that she is waiting, waiting till I come back home. Though we'll be miles apart, you'll stay in my heart. I'll write to you every day, my very special way. It won't be long till I'm here beside you. My love is strong.